Yo, for me, chow bibi a o share me. It was some way. I am also for more aquara. Munia. We should be friends and a papa. Nanabo Fuma. I saw you and then more sharing. Wow, German, Abia, and then our yell, and then I first time say I was sharing. And now Abia, time be a was sharing. Michel will be a was sharing. Nanabo Fumano. And say Nipa and Nim Nanabo Fumano. And then a person in a for now who said Nanabo Fumano, and yes, say. Me na me pe ena me frɛ me ho na na bofuma me wo me wo check me background me a Muslim what you say busum no efie what you say enye say ebia me ko na me ko di master chi me nana mo na sum aba bejai na me nana afa ono so waka baby ena ande Misusu ebe di minsa. Obi beka se na bufuruma na we ya hwan. Me ye obi a me ye de me buo nipa efa spiritual adwuma. Sunsuma adwuma na me ye. What you say? Ena the whole Africa ye beka se spiritual omo amoye spiritual ya na nipa do omo ana omo ye adwuma no ene anokora no so wo yi me firi ho a wonye obi abio the whole Africa what you say tam me off and on and they obey me ahumi e kina wo hu me bio because me person me be social media all the time because at times I say adwuma no eye de enye kasa no enye time bia ebia wo betana TV so ana wo kotana social media every day when I post when I yes say dabi ese won call off be say 1 month 1 year korana won post bibi ye ma adwuma no obi ba wo ho na obe ya adwuma no se wo adwuma no ayade pa obe de obe frɛ obi so abrew me ya kwala ena me sha se ya adwuma tama me ya kwa metime achi watade na ma isika wa boji se o tinwi na ma chi ebe bana na ma sika na me de be ma eye no saa ansa na me na be ka baby na ade no nyina ba be di me che enti enye se ade a me kokko me disika na me kokko toye me fi ade na me ye what you say ena nipa bebre atiaba omu pese omu ku ye djuma we respect bia ni spiritual adwuma no obi akonfo bia wo ya adwuma no omu to friend se wo ya sa efa no se nipa foforo aba omu apia ba se omu si send na me send me 1 million na me ma 20 million send me 10 cedi na me ma 10 million send me 5 cedi adan wo ya azasa wo ni se de obeye sesi a wo si omo se no 5 cedi 10 cedi na won fan ye sika me do bibi asa ni pa kuro no omo nyina omo tontoro se na me se no wo di omo chi a wo be ena 99 of spiritualists a omo Ghana no omo ye fake obeba be ka asem de we be go no hono the open on sound and kabi because of anom no ye there but I want me ya adwuma no and na ye no problem nti me say no me si fa me number no na on bra wo ba me ho a nyankopon to me nti me de mbe boa na wo ye de na wo so wo ye nipa kase e wa wiase what you say nana bofuruma no bofuruma no eye ene efre bofuruma no bebi a wo bia na mframa wo ho meme wo ho me na me kan kire won bofuruma no se wonni ne mini nde me kire won mini bofuruma no eye mframa na matro no sa no bofuruma ti wo frɛ bofuruma ese bebia mframa wo bia no me betumi aya adwuma wo nti me ye bi na nipa bi akopi omunnim adwuma no hu beku ye nimasi on pese o sei ya adwuma de didi obi abepi o si wo ye nana o si wo ye sei won kwape adwuma ye o si wo ye nana what you say enye no na edi me ba betena ha me pese me nkira o sei ese ade bi ukoso agise na bufuruma anu na obeti na obeti me atisa nkomo no because nipa bebre wo ho because omo ya azan no obi be ya azan ka ho a omo mpie mba be ka ba me se bi ka se mi dokun e wo bosom so no mi kusu a me kum antel mimi o mawu because enye aduro no mantono fi ade what you say enti wa wo hwe me no fa me number na on frɛ me kan kire na on kan kire me mboa wo pɛ na me ye de ntimi mboa ti sɛ mboa sɛ ebia woni obi wo asɛm court case fa me number no na me na ye nkwan ya be fa so na case na asɛn wa wo so wo hwe me wo abotire wo papers asɛm only papers wo kwa abotire say 2 years 3 years among for wo down for paper wo only papers bisa on say adem family number na me no ndi komo why wa wo so ebia wo pe promotion wo ya adwuma na wo pe promotion the part of family number na me no ndi komo what you say wa wo so wo ye de wo pe protection bebia fia wo firi no wankasa wo nim say before wo ho ana enye fie nko a wo firi no enne before ebia wo nante no wo nankasa wo nim say before ho family number na on frame me na me no ndi nkomo yakupon tumete dia wo pe no sabe ka what you say ena wa wo so wo de wo dadwe ne say ebia wo nya sika me patro enye obi a ho na obekwo na wo konya sika o eyeye mi na bofuruma me wo na obeba na obetina nya sika me wo challenge say wo betina nya sika ana wo yesi no wo bo ho family number no obi a obeka nche o say fase bra na obese enya no kore odo ye wa adwuma no wo pe ti say sika kwan na wo pe ye wono ahodo miensa your instant money, your pocket no dry, and I hope money ritual. Ni na one who no ma obeto. Me ye majuma say bia. Mami ya juma no ma o. Ejire me na o me ni what divide dabi. Me so me ye majuma say ebia me kira o say fase bra. Na o di aba ejire na me kwa kan kira o say san ko na on fa ko wonko fase bra bio. Me ye majuma sa. Etina me pia ba se tambia anokore na me meka wa wo ba me ho wo ni ma se na meka no wa wo so wo ye wa dwen se wo be ba wo be ba be hu ade ameka no what you say instant money no se wo pay instant money no ti se wo pay dollars wo pay $500,000 ahumba wo be wi aba ana normal e be to turn e dia no ho adwuma wo be bo $1,000 se wo pay $500 se wo pay $1 million wo be ya humbo 2,000 ba wo fere obi wo kan kira say I pay $100 pay the $50 say me na me yes adwuma no what ton tro want me ya adwuma no sika dro bi anu ha obi wo di $50 na e betumi aye what ton tro want me ya adwuma no nti family number na me no ndi nkomo e na rituals na pocket no dry no e no de wo frame me am no bedi no nkomo ba instant money no say wo pay $500,000 and I pay 500 million wo be bo on 25 million wo pay 1 billion and wo be bo on 50 million what you say sana me ye majuma wo pay bibia wo pay bia e won no hu hwehwe ye a e be de ye be ye na de open on sabeka me kasa no be kasa agro bi na me di wo ma so ye me di agro wo ma so ye oho na me didi menye ada spiritualist a obe ba me ho na ma jai o na me ko ye say onya o ji osika na wo ye o say me yes adwuma no what I say wow we spiritual wow we 419 didi na wo njai na ye say e bia spiritual work we susuma adwuma na wo de wo didi wo tu be pie na wo tu pie a wo be da prison what I say wo tu pie wo be da prison eye me ya say e bia wo be tena wa na obi be fra say na wo boy wo gu ye adwuma na ase na wo ya adwuma pa wo be pene afre me sa won frɛ me embo ma ba so wo frɛ me na wo kyerɛ me say me gu wo adwuma na ase adwuma be na wo ye di adwuma na me be ka anokora na wo be frɛ me aka kyerɛ me say me gu adwuma no na say ya nkomo me di nti nipa mba wa so ya adwuma pa nipa be ba wo ya adwuma pa nipa be ba enya adwuma bone wo ya adwuma bone na wo ka say wo ti ho say ebia nipa mbra na wo ndi sika na wo ndi saduma na ye saduma mekasa no enye no nko na metimi ye what I say wa wo hono ebia wa ware woni aba be say 5 years frame wo so ebia spiritual attack na ye o omudi uko doctor see won yare wo so want me wonni hu say de eba what I say enti wo de wa wonim say problem bia wonim say spiritual adwuma problem fa number na frame problem bia wonim say spiritual adwuma no spiritual problem no fa number na frame na ntimi kire o say yes say sometimes kura enye say ebia fasika bra na me yes ma o no enye no ubet na frame na mama advice na wa make na wa nyasika ubet na frame na mama advice na me dimpa water o chi na wa make ba nipa bebre sesia no asa o frɛ no kora na wa jira o say wono wonya di no nkomo 1 2 3 na wa jira o say na wa di wo kosika sem mekasa no mane abepa na mekasa no wa wonim say wo ye spiritual adwuma na ye anokore ye wa adwuma wo susu a wonim say enya ena anokore na wo ye wo twa ni pantro wo mre be so wo mre no so a ye be chew what you say enti wa susu wonim say ebia wo pe say memboa spiritually spiritual problems no e doso enti family number no na egu ase no frame na wo kan kire me problem na me ma solution what you say wo ye pastor your pastor adwuma wo ye malam your malam adwuma me so me yes spiritualist me ye me spiritual adwuma obi be ka kire say wo ye malam wo ba no hono wo di wo ko sheshiran na malam fo omo ye adwuma wo shiran osi wo yusi Quran ya adwuma obi ba wo na wo ko tana busun dem say wo ya wo be bo no ade na wa mfa na nko mox enko bo no Ghana fo mo ma won ndi nda ho wo so wo ye pastor wo ko program nipa onbe ka say onbe ye prophecy ma wo boa brami ho na membem ewo sunsumu na mfa ngura wo so pastor mu na me ma won timi hu ade na won timi ehili nipa ba ye say wo ko plan nipa na wo ko na say ya safu kira bosom wonim adwuma wo be ye wo so we pastor afi wo do na ko ura politics fi asem na kire say pastor wo pesika chen nyame wo pesika chen nyame wo ko wura wo pese won ti Ghana sika so Jimmy excuse me to use that word wo pese won ti Ghana sika what I say enye sa obi ani madwuma wo ye En favor na opese se opese on dani president. Won't mean dani president da me na make no. Da obe dani president no sa da no mi so mbe wu. Won't mean dani president da. What you say? Brana me ma watumi na wonko ko di president. Na wo jina ho wo need to me na wo ka say wo ko di president. Enfa na wonya to me. Akufo do nim dwama ma wo nim say omutana hokwa. Omuntana sa why? Brana me ma otumi na wo so wonko di politics echi. Won sabe ka de open no. What you say? Ba wontumi kontana ho wo si wo so wankasa wo wiam amanfo. Now person a man from vote ma. One na be vote ma. Obi an vote ma. What you say anti we a pastor now person me build the standard. Now so want me hu ade, want me hear professor, want me hear healing. Family number na me no ndim komo. What you say? Amra no so anti mbe bo me number. Wo hu face way no. Now wo hu number mbe bo no. Enyemi wo face no so face no ye wa outside no wo pese wo ni obi adi nkomo a no wo use me picture no friend video call se wo ye me a wo be peke se wo nyemi so a won peke obi a wo pese won ye ade e wo me ho na wo nim se won timi mba na wo pese ye no online ana wo pese wo hona me ye no ma. And now before we send this guy $1, before we send it $1, and now $1, I'm a me friend with video call na me no yonko asa na we send this guy. Enti number we am be bono se won face we na sa number no nka ho a enye me use two numbers then na MTN. What you say? Back we 024 51 88 982 024 51 88 982 and 054 15 35 665 054 15 35 665. Wo family no wo frame me wo fa number we na wo frame me a me no be di nkomo na ma che o se de obeye na wo so wada ne nipa nti yen ko break we bra ye ba mbeka English di omunti twi no na omu so adi English na fa so yen ko break no bra. Me da se ugusu a wo hwe me se de me di kan kai no me si e ko break no ba mbeka English de omunti twi no obe di English no fa so. Hello viewers, good day to everybody who is watching me right now. I don't know the time you are watching me. Wherever you find yourself and you are watching me, I'm greeting you. Yeah, you that is watching me, maybe this is your first time of watching me, or you have been watching me all the time. Today I have one day come to your homes to remind you about this fake spiritualists, fake malams, and then fake pastors. All the time, that is what I've been emphasizing on. Until I get what I want, I will never stop. You people that you say you are spiritualists, you are pastors, you are malams, and you don't have any power. If you don't stop, my brother, one day you will be a victim. You will be in prison. You don't have anything and you say you are having it. Please stop. It's too early. You can still stop it, but if you don't stop it and you want to continue, they will catch you, and if they catch you, you are going to be in prison. You understand? All the time, that is what I normally come out and I speak about these fake spiritual people. We are facing spiritual because we are talking about these fake spiritual people. They have turned it into something else. You just be there and somebody will call you, or you will watch your TV, you go to YouTube and you see that somebody will say, send me $100 then I'll give you $1,000. Send me $200. I'll give. Ask yourself, the person that is saying you should send him $100 and he'll give you $2,000. How much does the person have? He's a liar. All the time, I receive a lot of calls, but that will not stop me from telling the truth to the people. If you are doing the good work, do it. But if you talk, say you want to lie all the time, I'll also be revealing your secret. When you change this way, I'll change like that. When you change this way, I'll change like that. You understand? I know a lot of malams, or I know a lot of spiritualists that they have joined that company. Send, make I send. Send, make I send. I know a lot of spiritual people that have joined that company. Because then they will now be sitting there making noise, knowing that because people have now know them, they don't have powers. They have turned it into a different thing. If you don't stop, that one too, Ghanaians will get to know who you are. The world will get to know who you are. They will paint their faces because they were once doing spiritual work. So because now they have changed a different plan, they will paint their face. Remove your face, let the person see your face. That's why I like video call. Before me and you will talk, or before me and you will do anything, just make sure you call me video call. I like people with that. Because I like to be myself. I'm not faking my life. You understand? You are a pastor and you have a small ghost in your room. Are you a pastor? You are also a spiritualist. You are a malam that you lead prayers in the mosque, but yet you have a small ghost in your room worshiping. You are a spiritualist. You are not a malam. You are not sheikh. You are not afa. You understand? I'm not insulting anybody. But if you know you are doing that, I'm telling you to stop. Choose one God and worship. We are all worshiping the same God through different ways. But you cannot use two different. Let me tell you, you cannot chop two different bones in one mouth. You have to chew with one after the other. You understand? If you know your Muslim is not helping you, then you switch to a spiritualist or you turn a pastor. But you cannot combine all. You that is watching, keep your eyes calm and then watch me. I'm telling you, before this program will get to an end, whatever you want, you will get it. You understand? So you should stop. Malams don't worship, don't go to church. Malams don't go to spiritual room. They go to mosque. And pastors too don't go to spiritual, don't go to mosque. They worship in the church. That's why we worship in the room with our stones. You understand? So as you are watching me, if you have any problem, spiritual problem that you are facing currently, take my number and call me. Look, it doesn't matter whether I mention your problem or I did not mention, because the problems are many. But I will just mention few for you. Like if you are having child barrenness, you have married for 2 years, 3 years, no child, pick my number and call me. You have been to the work for almost 5 years, no promotion. You are just like assuming you are just secretary all the time, secretary, no changes. Take my number and call me. I'll show you what you do so that you also change position, that you also upgrade, promotion. If you want protection against enemies, any other thing that you want protection against, my brother, take my number and call me. If you want a court case, you have court case, you are in prison, and then they want to talk about your case, and you want me to help you, take my number and call me. You understand? Or your problem is just that you want physical cash. You want physical cash. Take my number and call me, and let me show you the way forward. As I'm saying, I have 3 different this thing. 3 different things that I do. That is the instant money rituals and pocket no drive. The 3 of them, that is my work. You understand? So that one, before I work on that type of thing for you, there are things that we are going to look for. For instance, for the instant money like this, if you need $500,000 US, the item we are going to buy and we'll do it for you will cost you $1,000 US. If you need 1 million, that is $2,000 US. You understand? For the rituals and the pocket no drive, when you call me, when you take my number and you call me, I'll show you the way forward, how you go about it. You understand? I'm not faking my life. As you can see, I'm content with what I'm having. And if I did not help you, I won't dupe you. If I did not give you, I won't take what belongs to you. Because I'm content with what I'm having. You understand? So I'll just want you to know that there are a lot of fake people. It's the same thing that there are a lot of real people. My brother, if me and somebody is doing the same work and you go to the person and he dupe you, doesn't mean that if you come to me, I'll also dupe you. Let me give you one example. If you are selling one product and my seller own is fake, doesn't mean that my own too will be fake. You have to text my own. If you text it, you get to know what I'm talking about. You understand? So any problem at all that you are facing, being it money, being it in your website, or being it you want fame, you are doing music, you want fame, you are doing Yahoo work, you want lotto numbers, you are doing betting, you want correct games, correct scores, take my number and call me and let me predict games for you. Inshallah, by the grace of God, you get things will be okay. What I'm going to give you is what is going to play. I'm not faking my life. You understand me? So the word Bofurma is not a nickname to me. The word Bofurma means air. Wherever there's air, I am there. Wherever there is air, me, I am there. So don't say because we are far, I cannot help you. No. Take the number and call me. Let me give you something for you to also protect yourself. You understand? Even if it stands that I should come spiritually to your room and meet you one-on-one, I'll come. Because I'm air. I travel with air. Wherever there's air, I'm there. You understand? So I don't understand nowadays a lot of fake spiritualists. You understand? If they just tell you 1 or 2 things, then all the time it's not about money. You understand? It's not about money. It's about the life you are living. You understand me? The life you are living. That you understand? So right now, I've spoken a lot, and a word to a wise is enough. Those that they have their mind, they'll get to know, they benefit from what I've just said. But those that they think I'm lying, I'm not forcing anybody to come to my shrine or my place, because even before you even think you are coming to try and see, God has marked you wrong. When you come, nothing will happen. So I'll just want to tell you that I thank everybody who has get his time and watch me. The way you have getting your time, or you have time and watch the video, have time and travel to Ghana, Tamale, and then experience spiritualism. I'll just leave my number for you. Those that they want the number. The number is on the screen, but I'll mention it once again for you to understand or to get the number. The number to call. All the numbers that I'm going to mention is on WhatsApp. They are both MTN, and they are all on WhatsApp. Any of them that you want to talk to Nana Bofurma, when you call or when you chat me on WhatsApp, I am the one that is going to chat to you. I don't give my phones to my boys. You understand? Because the phone is a secret thing. That's why these white people have made it for everybody to use it. It's a secret thing. So I don't give my phones to my boys. So if you want me personally, the numbers that I'm going to mention, that same number is on the screen. Just take the numbers and call me. The number to call is 024 51 88 982. 024 51 88 982. Or if you are calling this and it's not picking, you can call this one to 054 15 35 665. 054 15 35 665. I wanted to do some small action, but time is not there. I will not do anything today. But if you want to experience spiritualism, or if you want physical cash, like I said, take my number and call me. Then I'll show you the way forward. If you want kudi l'argent, take my number and call me. Then I'll show you the way forward. Today I'm not going to do anything. The number once again to call is 054 15 35 665. 054 15 35 665 or 024 51 88 982. I thank everybody who has gotten time to watch this program, and I would like to end here. Bye bye.